Today I'm in my car and I will be installing the Torras car phone mount. So when you open it up, you do have a manual, have the car mount. This is what it looks like. So these are the base and the vent clips, and they can fit different types of vents and different types of cars. So you have all this installation here. So to install it, I have this piece right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece over here. I'm going to connect it facing downwards, snap it on it like this, and I'm going to crank this so there's an open and a lock right there. If your vent looks like mine, you don't have to put this in there. You can just put it like this. So as you can see, the phone holder base has gripped onto the vent. So to install the phone, we're going to unscrew this section and then screw in the phone holder on here. So I like the durability of it. I like that the base and the vents, you have different ones that you can use to fit into different vents. I love that it's adjustable, so you can adjust with this extended end, and it doesn't block my sight as I'm driving. It doesn't block the vent flow, because sometimes these phone holders, it will block the vent hole. And it's also stable, so it has so much stability from the hook to the phone arm. It's really stable and very, very durable. And you can see my phone. I'm going to place my phone on it, so you can see my phone sits really well. I can extend it, I can move my phone whichever way. At the back of the phone holder, there's a button that you press, and that button will extend the adjustable area. So make this section smaller, I can extend it by pressing that button at the back. I absolutely love it.